Welcome to JK Max. In this session, we'll be fixing a Samsung Galaxy A30 that came in with two serious issues, a swollen battery and a damaged display connector on the motherboard. Let's begin. First, as always, we make sure the device is powered off. We carefully remove the back panel. Take extra care here because the fingerprint sensor is attached to the back and can be damaged if pulled too hard. Next, we remove all screws holding the internal plastic frame and gently lift it to expose the motherboard. Remove SIM tray. Take a small piece of tape and stick it over the power V volume up and down switch. This helps prevent the switch from slipping or getting pressed accidentally. Before doing anything else, we disconnect the battery to ensure electrical safety. Now let's take a closer look at the problem. The battery is visibly swollen and needs to be replaced immediately. But there's another issue, the display connector on the motherboard is damaged. So we'll fix that too. To remove the battery safely, we apply a bit of heat or isopropyl alcohol to loosen the adhesive. Slowly lift the battery without puncturing it. Now disconnect all flex cables from the motherboard. Carefully remove the old connector using hot air at the right temperature to avoid damaging nearby components. Once the area is clean, we align the new connector perfectly with the solder pads. Using a precision soldering iron or hot air tool, we attach it securely, ensuring all pins are properly connected. This step is crucial for display functionality. Once done, install the new battery and reassemble the phone. Connect all cables, close the back panel, and power it on. Check the display, touch, and charging to confirm everything works fine.